Hi, welcome to Company Interiors. This is the manufacture production of a moss sign with the client's logo on. So we're in the workshop today. We're going to run through some videos here to show you how to do it. If this is of interest to you, please subscribe to the channel and always click the notification bells. Let's have a look to see how we make some of these moss signs in a frame. So here we are when we have the sign itself, 1.8 meters long by 90 centimeters high, and the client will issue us with a high resolution PNG file of which we will then produce the logo. We will always do a proof. Here's an example of the proof the client received before placing their order, and then we understand exactly what we are installing. So the sign itself is made out of acrylic CNC machines that we have to cut out the signage, then put onto raised rods so it will float above the preserved moss. Preserved moss requires no maintenance, no daylight, will remain looking good for 10 years or more. So we will set this out first just to get an idea of what we're going to be using. We will then have to go about with taking the sign back off and then just laying out the moss according to the design that we're trying to follow. It's very much a sort of artistic impression of the sign. These are natural products, so that nothing is followed to the letter, as it were. We have bun moss that we just shape. We cut the backs off so it's nice and flat, applying the adhesive. We have light green, forest green bun moss, then filled in with flat moss to fill in the surfaces. Then we will go about putting the sign back on. If any of this is of interest, I've put some links in the description below that you can have some free downloads, and then also a link to our store if you want to find out any more information. So smash the like button, leave us any comments, and we'll be happy to get back to you. Thanks.